Intelligently engineered and ruggedly capable. This all-electric SUV is built for adventure, delivering confident performance in various conditions. Introducing the all-new 2026 Toyota BZ Woodland. Designed with versatility for active lives, BZ Woodland is ready to be a trusted companion, encouraging the electrification of exploration. Modern design and practicality come together in the 2026 BZ Woodland. Designed to prioritize utility, evidenced by the standard ladder-style roof rails, which are paired with the modern look of 18-inch alloy wheels. BZ Woodland's interior elevates the driving experience with premium appointments, including a standard heated steering wheel and heated power adjustable front seats. For even greater comfort, ventilated front seats and a front radiant heater are available. Ample rear headroom contributes to BZ Woodland's versatility, enhanced by standard all-weather floor mats and expansive cargo space. The available fixed panoramic moonroof helps bring more light into the cabin. A standard hands-free power liftgate adds functional convenience. And standard rain-sensing wipers and rear window wiper are designed to improve visibility when driving during inclement conditions. Get ready to take on that next epic escape with BZ Woodland. This innovative SUV blends refined performance with impressive horsepower. Experience confident handling with standard all-wheel drive with X-Mode and grip control, especially with the added assurance of BZ Woodland's available all-terrain tires. Plus, BZ Woodland's generous range allows drivers to venture further out and get the most out of their active lives. Its expanded charging capabilities and battery preconditioning function allow you to travel freely and reliably. BZ Woodland features a standard NACS charging port, providing access to an expanding network of public charging locations across North America. BZ Woodland also includes plug-and-charge technology with an active remote connect trial or subscription. This feature simplifies the charging experience at participating supporting public chargers, allowing for seamless transaction by reducing the need to juggle multiple apps. At these supported stations, the vehicle is automatically authenticated and processes the payment behind the scenes, making EV charging more convenient where available. DC fast charging from 10 to 80% capacity takes approximately 30 minutes under ideal conditions, while the battery preconditioning function helps maximize DC fast charging performance in cold weather. Beyond the ease of use and updated charging capabilities, BZ Woodland's standard 11 kilowatt onboard charger gives drivers the flexibility to utilize higher capacity level 2 chargers whenever they're available. Intuitive technologies come standard on the 2026 BZ Woodland. An expansive 14-inch touchscreen seamlessly blends modern design with the user-friendly Toyota Audio Multimedia platform, which includes standard wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility, connecting drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcast, and music subscriptions. Standard wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. 4 conveniently placed USB-C charge ports, 2 Qi-compatible wireless charging pads, and a 1500-watt AC power outlet help devices stay powered up, on and off the road. And for an immersive listening experience, the available 9-speaker JBL premium audio system plays everything from podcast to road trip playlists in vivid clarity. BZ Woodland also brings plenty of safety and convenience innovation. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard and includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and a panoramic view monitor are also standard for added convenience behind the wheel. The possibilities are clear. An electric SUV built for adventure, delivering confidence, inspiring year-round performance. The 2026 BZ Woodland encourages the electrification of exploration. The fusion of electric innovation and active living is available for discovery at toyota.com.